can use it as a table. It rotates 360. Are you saying it rotates 360? I use it as a table. You raise it up or you bring it down. Now, this comes with a lot of accessory, a lot. This is a basket. Comes with 2 baskets. This is one and this is second basket. This goes to the base. Tie it to the base like this, where you keep the accessories. Now let's check the accessory. This is a learning material. It's sealed. For the purpose of this video, I will open this. Start as a sample. And this alphabet, you can remove it. It's removable from here. Peel it off and paste. Reset. This is not beautiful. Very beautiful. All that soup. This is cleaner. This side is for chalk and this is for board marker. We have this roll. If you want to hold a, maybe paper on it. There's another one too. Another learning material too. I use that to teach children. Now, we have sticker. You don't like the cleaner, you can use this. Very soft, or you can use it to clean your hand. So I'm using that. It's worth the price. It